We got one more tiny window before the storm tonight. I'm emptying this one. That's 3,000 gallon. I emptied the tender. This truck will be a little heavy. Had a little bit on it. I don't know if you guys will be able to see down here or not. Kinda. Wind's probably terrible. The reason that fertilizer is blue and not green, it has nitrogen stabilizer in it too. See my reflection there. Alright, I'm gonna get her loaded. It's cold this morning. Just about to get it. Truck's gonna have about 5,300 gallon on it, so it's gonna be pretty heavy, but not terrible. All she wrote. Get her down, get her shut off. Flip a switch, pull a lever. You guys that watched the movie Airplane will get that. Make a little spill there. All right, first load loaded. Wind's terrible. Feel just a little bit soft. This will be corn. 86 acres here. We're gonna hopefully get the tanker empty and go from there. Before the storm, I keep talking about this storm. You guys know how they change from 4 to 8 to 6 to 10 to, yeah, they don't know. We don't know, they don't. I don't mean to bore you, fellas. Load number 2. Got about 25 acres left on this place. I think there's 86 here total. Bob should have got about 60 on that load. 3-inch pump gets it done. Still got that little leak there. I worked on it the other day, but then I forgot to turn this valve on up here like an idiot. Pressured that up. Lucky that's all I've got's a leak. It could have got real ugly. Well guys, I haven't been out much in a day or two. It's February 19th, Wednesday. Bob and I got the rest of that fertilizer put on right before the storm come through. I don't know what we got. A lot of wind with it. The news says about 5 inches. Sure don't look like 5 inches, but it said a lot of wind. Was a little cover on most of the wheat, so hopefully that helps. I just went through a road a minute ago that was blade had been through, but it was pretty deep. starting to sift across the road again. Hope you can see that. This road's usually a lot worse than this. The 1 mile south, it was a little woolly. I should have taped it. Like I said, blade had been through it, so it was open, but neighbor called Bob, said his tractor was froze up. There's my boy right there coming in from pushing snow. Said he got it running, but the hydraulics would not work on his tractor. I believe he runs a Ford New Holland. And called Bob. I know Bob had a bale bed on. Said no, but he had a tractor running. He was feeding cows. He asked Bob to come over and feed for him, so Bob went over and fed for him. Yep, not doing too much. -2 last night. I think -8 tonight. Wind chills are -20 pretty much all day yesterday. And talking -26 tonight, wind chill. I think -8 actual. I believe I just said that. So a lot of our ground does have cover. It's not great cover. Is what it is. We'll take it. All right, later, fellas.